What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to the final box of the ultimate $25,000 mystery box video. Guys, this is it. We have bought 5 boxes from 5 different sneaker stores for $5,000 each. We spent a lot of money this month, and we have all the boxes here. And in this video, you guys are gonna vote in the top link in the description down below which sneaker store made the best mystery box, and we are gonna be going and surprising that store that wins with either cash or a sneaker mystery box prize, something along those lines. We have filmed all these videos in unison over the past week. It has been insane. We've been filming these last 3 videos and nobody has seen any other videos, so I'm super excited to open this last box here. Oh man. As you can see from the outside, they wrapped it up a little bit. This is actually the smallest box yet, and this is from Versus ATL. Let me show you guys really quickly before we cut to buying and picking this up, the last 4 boxes. Box number 1, ATL Addiction, came out with a score of 86.6%. Box number 2, Request ATL, that one came out with an 86.6% also. Box number 3, Good Times ATL, with an 88.5, our highest one out of all of them. And then last one, we have Full Circle ATL, 86, so they're all within about 1 to 2 percentage wise. It's pretty crazy how close it is. So before we open up this final yet smallest box of Versus ATL, let's go ahead, head to the store and show us purchasing it, because we dropped 25 racks in literally a week. A lot of money. I hope you guys enjoy. All right, guys, we are in Atlanta right now. We are headed to the last mystery box spot, which is gonna be Versus ATL. We actually just picked up the 4th one. We're picking both in the same day. We're going to the last one, and we're gonna wrap this up. I'm super excited to see what the last one has in store, because this is a brand new Versus ATL store, so let's head there. We are at the final store. This is exciting, but sad that it's coming to an ending. Versus ATL is wrapping it up today. The new location here in Atlanta by Mercedes-Benz Stadium. Let's go in and buy this last box. We spent a lot of money in these past couple weeks on these videos. Let's hope it's worth it.
Oh yeah, man. You know, good question mark. What's in it? What's in it?
Do the
this episode
face.
of What's it?
This is a smaller one, but he said we got some like collectibles in here. I'm excited to see. Shout out to Leo. We were talking for a good bit. Let's head back, unbox this thing, the final one. All right, guys, we're back. The box, they put a nice little wrapping on it, put question marks for mystery box, and on top we have the Versus stickers. Now, this is so different because we've had boxes with like 18 shoes. This one could probably maybe be 4 or 5 shoes total. And he tried not to like give it away, and I don't know if I got it on camera, but he was saying there's something that's like collectible or something in here, like it's cool. So looks like it's sideways. Yep, there we go. Just a box inside the wrapping. Shout out to them for that. This has got me like wondering, because all the other ones have been so much. Shoes and stuff. This can't be a lot at all. Oh man, it's kind of nerve-wracking. What do we think, Nick?
I'm itching to see this, because it's kind of crazy how much smaller this box is compared to the biggest one.
Yeah, the last one we did was 5 times the size of this, so I don't want to peek. I want to kind of feel. There's some socks. That's some Versus ATL socks. Shout out Versus ATL. Gotta put it in there. Is there a second pair there? Second pair of socks. All right, I feel bubble wrap. Dude, I think there might be one thing in here. Huh? Oh, wait. No. It's wrapped. Okay. There's a couple things wrapped. Whoa. That had me nervous. Couple things wrapped. Oh man.
This is the most sneaky one yet.
This is the sneakiest one yet. So this is a shoe. This is like bubble wrapped under that. It's got me nervous, dude. I feel like Versus doesn't usually have like, the one thing they do have is like vintage stuff, man. This is nerve-wracking.
Oh man.
Jordan 4 box. Size 11. Hold on. Hold on. Oh man. What Jordan 4 could this be? Are you thinking what I'm thinking, Nick?
I mean, I think it could be a Travis.
I think it could too. What is... Oh, no, it's not. This is the Pure Money Jordan 1s.
4s.
Jordan 4s. I'm going nuts. Pure Money Jordan 4s, brand new. This is a fresh pair. We actually just had a pair of these. We got them from a pawn shop or something.
Yeah.
They're super used. Brand new pair, my size. Kind of like the metallics that came out. They had the purple, the orange, and all that. That's a good first pair there. They're making me nervous with like the way that this is set up. There's genuinely one shoe box and one smaller left. Dude, that's it. What do we think those are worth?
I don't know, brand new? They're probably worth decent money.
Like 500 bucks, maybe? This is it! 3 items for the finale. All right, I haven't done this in the past ones, but I'm gonna look up the value of those while we're here because we don't have a ton to open. All right, 2017 Pure Money. Oh no, they're more. 615 bucks. Last sale, 600 bucks. So those are about 600. We got about 400 left. All right, should we eeny, meeny, miny, moe it? What are we doing here?
I think go with the smaller one first.
Could this be the collectible one?
I think the other one might be a shoe still.
I think this could be like a bear brick. Hold on. Oh, wait. No, this was in the 100K box. Hold on. The Cause Original Fake Companion. What's the price point? $2,300. Is this the same? No, this is a different one. We had an original fake in our 100K box. Dude, this is OG. 2008, 400% Cause Companion. This is like one of the original split cut bear bricks right there. Dang. Original fake Cause. I'm assuming this is what he meant from the collection. Because this is, how many years old is that now? That's 14 years old. $2,300. Sheesh.
That's wild.
That's crazy. That's different. Is this gonna be a hard one to judge based off of like 3 items? It's gonna be interesting to see what we come up with. Woo! All right, last one. This one feels like so much quicker. Last one was like, is this shoe, this shoe? Oh, we saw it off the rip. A pair. How many of these did we have total?
At least 3 boxes.
3, we have 2 of them. So 3 out of the 5 boxes. And what size? I really could use a new pair. I really. Oh, size 9. You guys already know what these are. And I'm telling you, these shops did not see the other store's boxes because they were putting in shoes that are all a part of it. But brand new, size 9, Travis, Fragment, Lowe's. I can't believe the box is already over. Like, it feels wrong that it was that quick. We got some scoring to do.
This one's gonna be tough.
This is gonna be tough. We're gonna have to look at this differently because it's not like a ton. All right, guys. On tripod mode. All right, guys. This one took some more deliberating because it's like a different scale of a box. Like,
toughest one yet.
3 items is so hard to judge because it's not a large scale.
It's hard to judge, but it also kind of makes it easier because on things like quality, everything in it's brand new. So it's kind of tough to, but
yeah. All right, we'll get into it. Value, 775 for me. Nick did the same thing. We didn't tell each other. This time we didn't discuss scores, kind of just gave it. Next, variety, I gave it an 8 because even though there aren't a ton of items, they're all completely different in different realms.
I give it an 8.5 for that. I mean, honestly, that Cause figure is crazy. So it's variety because it's a couple different shoes and a Cause figure, but it's not variety because it's not more than 3 items.
For quality, 10 out of 10 for both of us. I think
100%.
The quality of the picks and everything,
Everything's
new.
brand new. Everything's really cool.
Yep. And so reaction, you gave an 8.75, which brings our total to 60.75, which is within half a point of the last box and a couple other boxes.
I wanted to give him a little more on reaction, but I couldn't get enough reaction from him with only 3 items, so that's why it was the second highest reaction score.
It was my like most interested reactions or
for
something.
sure.
But 86.7%. This comes down to you guys because we could barely decipher a winner. Now, we're gonna tell you guys our winner in the next video when we reveal who wins. We're not gonna tell you now because we want this to be unbiased. So we're gonna go through each box really quick, show you them one more time, because right now you guys need to vote. You've seen them all. Vote in the top link of the straw poll in the description down below, in the top comment, and vote who won. Let's go overhead, go over each box one more time. Also guys, don't forget, out of all these boxes, we are listing items for sale on my website right now, harrisonnevel.com. If you guys want to buy any of the items on here, some of them we're keeping, but a lot of them that are not my size are up on the website. So harrisonnevel.com, go get them at steal prices. We put them up for prices lower than StockX ask before all the fees. So go ahead, you can even like resell them if you want to off of us. Go ahead, check them out, link in the description down below, harrisonnevel.com. Thank you guys. If you're gonna vote for box number one, here it is right here, ATL Addictions. We had 8 pairs of sneakers total. We had a decent bit of variety. Most of them are brand new except one pair. I think a lot of great stuff in this box. That's box number one. Box number two from Request ATL is gonna be 17 different pairs of shoes. At first, it was the biggest variety of sneakers, a lot of different stuff. We gave it a great score, and I think this is a great box, so let me know what you guys think if you're voting on box number two. Box number three, you add in our first item like a skate deck and a bunch of variety. This was the highest percentage score based off of what Nick and I said. That doesn't mean it was our favorite out of all of them. We'll talk about that in the next video, but as you can see, we have gallery department, chrome hearts, plus a bunch of sneakers and some older stuff. Pretty cool. Box number four from Full Circle ATL had a ton of different stuff, a ton of older stuff, some newer stuff, some skate decks, all kinds of stuff in a massive box. The most quantity of items for a box yet, and I think is a really good one. If you guys are gonna vote number four, it'll be down in the straw poll down below. And the last box, the most unique box that was like most unexpected, the smallest from Versus ATL. Only 3 items total, but super, super rare calls figure in there. Some Travis fragments, some new hype, and then obviously the Pure Money. 4's brand new, great variety. It's insane. So right now, again, link in the description down below. It's gonna be open for like a day or two. You guys have to vote and decide who we're gonna go surprise with a prize for winning this challenge. I'm very excited to do that. So go ahead, vote in the description down below. $25,000. 5 mystery boxes, 5 stores. This was a lot of work, a lot of money, and a lot of fun. So thank you guys for watching it and being a part of this series. If you enjoyed it and want to see another one, this series has got to get a good amount of views because we'll go do this $10,000 boxes in a different state. But that's ahead of us. So thank you guys for watching this series, being here over the 5 weeks. We will see you guys in the next video when we reveal who won and who gets the prize, which is going to be a ton of cash or a bunch of sneakers or something fun. So let's go ahead and vote down below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. This is Harrison signing out.